Thank you for joining me on this question. I'm going to be looking at question 5a. 5a says express each of the following as a single logarithm. And they've given us the question, they've started with log 6, it's common, so the base is 10. 3 log 2 and log 40. So what I'm going to do initially is I'm going to take this 3 here, and let's place that using the property of the index that comes up and multiplies. So the theory here is that if I write the theory over here, let me get a pen. The log of x to base a raised to the power of n equals n log x to base a. So that's the property I'm going to use. I'm going to take this and use it in reverse. So I'm going to start here and change it into the left side. So that's with the 3. Here we go. So we've got log 6 minus, take that 2, that 3, and place it here, and then we've got our next line. Okay, so this was our property that we used. The next property I'm going to use is a combination of 2 properties, and the 2 properties I will use is the log of x to base a plus the log of y to base a equals the log of xy. So when you have a plus in this position here, then you multiply the x and the y. And the other property I'm going to use now is when the log of x to base a minus the log of y to base a equals the log of, now from minus, it is the division of the x and the y. So when it's a minus here, it will be divide here. If it's a plus here, it will be a multiply here. Okay, so we'll use those 2 properties in the next line here, and we'll take this minus, and that will become log, and 6 over 2 cubed, and that's 8, and then multiply by, and here is the plus here, so this is going to be a multiply here. So with that, let's put with that times 40. Okay, so the minus sign here means 6 is divide, that 2 cubed is divide, and this plus sign here is where that multiply sign comes for when we take that times 40. And we've almost finished. We've just got to simplify this. So we've got log, and what is this number? So we've got 8 goes into 45 times 6 5s are 30, and so we've got the log of 30, and that is a single log. Well, I hope this has helped. Until next time, stay happy.